Hello there, welcome to Proper Dubai, where we give you the most accurate, the most comprehensive and the most down-to-earth reviews on everything Dubai and Abu Dhabi. My name is Stuart Matthews and today I'm in Dubai to look at this, the Park Hyatt. So when I first came to Dubai in 2004, this hotel was under construction. It actually used to sit on Dubai Creek Golf Course, and the course was remodified, changed around. They sold a little bit of land, built the hotel and a number of villas. These are the villas you see behind me now. And I must say, it is very pleasant. So this is a large, well-appointed room with an absolutely stunning bathroom. Although there are a couple of strange things about the bathroom. I did notice it has no door, which wouldn't bother me at all, but maybe some couples would find that a little bit strange. And secondly, because of the shutters that go between the bathroom and the bedroom, when you stand at the sink, the mirror is to one side, which makes shaving a little bit strange. Anyway, there's a couple of things I really like about this room. Firstly is the walk-in wardrobe that's in the bathroom. That's a really nice touch and it gets the clothes and the bags out of the way. And secondly is the balcony, and especially with the marina views here, to have a little balcony with a couple of seats in the evening is a very nice touch. first thing in the morning. So location wise, this hotel is on the north side of Dubai Creek between Maktoum and Garhoud bridges. That means that we're less than 2 kilometres from the airport, although because we're perpendicular to the runway there's no overflying aircraft. So adjacent to one side of the hotel is the Dubai Creek Golf Club with restaurants and bars. And on the other side is the Yacht Club with a similar, which also includes one of my favourite restaurants in Dubai called the Boardwalk, which has a lovely outdoor seating area, which is where I ate last night, which was a bit of a mistake because we haven't got out of summer yet, so it's a bit like having fish and chips in a sauna. Price-wise, I've just paid 400 dirhams for room only. That's about £80 or $100, but that's incredibly cheap, and that was a one-off deal. I would expect to pay somewhere between 750 to 1500 dirhams, which is about £150 to £300 a night, or $200 to $400. So this hotel has 223 rooms across 7 to 8 sort of low-rise buildings, all very nicely spread out, and doesn't feel crowded at all. There's 3 to 4 restaurants, including the signature Thai restaurant, which apparently is well known for its open kitchens, although I didn't eat there. But the one thing that did catch my eye is a bar called 7070, and it's got a 70s theme. So all the furniture is 70s, and it's even got record players and vinyl in there. And well done Hyatt, happy hour, half price drinks, 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock. I must say I've been pleasantly surprised about the quality and the feel of this hotel. Although we're right in the centre of Dubai, because of the creek and the golf club, you feel as if you're well away from the hustle and bustle of general Dubai. And because of the layout of the hotel and the architecture here, including the water features, you can hear one just behind me here, it gives the Park Hyatt a really calming and tranquil feel. So I wouldn't hesitate recommending this hotel for business travellers or families with children, but where I think the Park Hyatt really excels is for couples. With the choice of restaurants, whether it be in the hotel or the yacht club or the golf club, and this sort of 5-star serenity of the property, it would be very easy to come here and have a very nice romantic getaway. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please check out the other ones on my channel, which are reviews on hotels and things to do all around Dubai and Abu Dhabi. And if you're feeling really brave, please hit subscribe. So from a very serene Park Hyatt, see you next time.